Hello guys, welcome back. This is Vas Yadav here, and in this video lesson, we are going to talk about your best faceless YouTube channel that you can follow, and you can create your own faceless YouTube channel and make around $10,000 per month. And all those 12 YouTube faceless channels making $3 to $5 million per year, and that you can replicate and copy everything. Okay, so how you can do? Let's talk about. So first channel, maybe you have know about Bright Side. So Bright Side, one of the best channels where have 44 million subscriber, around 10 billion views, and channel is start in 2017. And you can see we once we click on the channels, and let me open Social Blade and copy the username, and let me see the revenue of that channel. Look at on here. This channel generated over $2 million yearly revenue and close to 182,000 monthly revenue. So it is huge amount. And if we are talking about second channel, it is called Home H2O. Okay, and let me search on Social Blade, and you can see it is making $700,000 just yearly, and just 58,000 in monthly. So it is huge amount, my friend. Also, if we are talking about Flory, it is also making tons of money, and another, so tons of money are making. And personally, I like the many channels. And let me talk about this channel. So my question is, how you can build your faceless YouTube channel and you can make tons of money. That is not difficult, because I have created the complete training. We have provide the link below. Okay, so you can see this channel making 2 million or close to $3 million. Okay, so we have created complete training about how you can create YouTube channel and make tons of money by AI. AI will do 95% done for you, like content writing and video creation, everything. And you can see so many people are already making tons of money through YouTube channels. They are growing fast. So click on the link in description below and go to checkout. It is cost just $17, and also you will get $4 extra discount. So don't worry, copy this coupon code and use it and enjoy. And you can build your faceless YouTube channel with special bonuses, and you can make tons of money. So go to now and make money and enjoy your life. Thank you so much for watching. See you the next. Thank you.